Welcome to another how-to with creating a reel on Instagram. In this one, I'm going to be showing you how to do it with saved audio. Now, if you have seen the two previous tutorials, hopefully they've been useful for you. But if not, there is one that I've done on making a reel through Canva. So utilizing Canva, putting your content into it, exporting it to your Instagram, yada, yada, putting it all together, and then posting it. And then after that one, I did one with making a reel with Instagram templates. So this one, I'm going to show you how you can do with saved audio. As I've said in both of those, Instagram reels have become so much easier to make good content and hopefully create content that helps you grow your channel, grow your Instagram profile, and ultimately get potential clients if that's what you're using it for. So with this one, I'm going to say that the big step before getting going is if you have saved audio, and I'll show you where you can find some of those, but once you have your audio, saved audio that you want to utilize, make sure that your clip that you're going to utilize is already the same amount of length. Now, yes, you can trim it in Instagram Reels. When you're getting ready to post it, you can trim the video file, but it just makes it so much easier. And you can also put your coloring effects on it before. So let me go over to my photos, and let's say that I didn't have one in the length that I wanted to. I know that this is the one that I'm going to use. It's already 11 seconds long. I edited it myself in the editing software that I utilize, and then I exported it to my device where I'm going to post it. But got that one set. This is one I'm going to come back to, but let's say I don't, and I needed to edit it. This one's, I think, 46 seconds long. Edit it into the exact duration that you want so that once you're ready to go, you have all those set. And you can also put the coloring effects on it, make it look how you want it to, all those types of things that just helps it out. And now I just sped through that because this is not the one I'm using, but I just wanted to show you that do all those things before you're prepping. So now let's go over to Instagram, and with Instagram, with this, how can you find saved audio and maybe find something that you want to utilize under a, if you're flipping through reels and you like something that you hear and you're like, oh man, I think I can use a template with that one, or I could use my content with that one, save it. You could just be laying in bed, watching TV, you hear something, save it. You never know when you'll come back to it. So under the Reels tab, let's say that you like this audio and you're scrolling through something, you're like, oh, wow, that looks good. That sounds good. And I don't even know what these sound like right now because I'm recording this right here. But what I could do is down here at the bottom where it has the music title, I hit it, and then I save it right there. I just hit the little bookmark tab at the top right of it. But a big reason why I always recommend doing things like this, seeing what's trending, is because you'll see all these other reels that people have made and yours is going to show up in there. That's how people are going to find it. Yeah, they're going to see that, oh, wow, this is trending, or I like this audio. I want to see what else is with this one. It's entertaining for them. That's what you're doing. You're making entertaining content, and now yours is going to show up in there. Another way that you can find content or saved audio that you might like is when you go to make your reel and you go to audio, and then you scroll down to the bottom, you're going to see original audio here. And again, these are ones that are trending. You can listen to any of these, just click the play button on the right-hand side, and you're going to hear the audio and be like, okay, I do like this one. You could save it, or you can apply it to your video right there. So two different ways that you can use original audio that you like, you saved, and you want to come back to it. Okay. So let's now go to the clip with putting together what this whole tutorial is about. Let me add the content in. This is the video that I want. I'm going to add it, go to audio again, saved at the top left here. And then I have the one that I've already saved with it. Save it, select done, and hit next. And now it places the audio on it. Some things that I would recommend is that maybe putting some text on it, saying what it's about, So this one's a new hit. Let me capitalize all this. New hit workout. Releasing Monday. With my business, I release a new hit workout every Monday. So let me get that all set. There we go. And showing you how to make titles is not what I'm doing. So I'm just going to put one here. But you could always change where you want this to show up, how long you want it to show up, things along that nature. I'm sure you guys already know all that kind of stuff. But done. Puts the audio on top of it. Looks good. Sounds good. I know you can't hear this in this recording, but it's coming through for me. Looks good. Sounds good. Let's hit the next. Edit your cover where you want it to show that you think, okay, well, my audience this might be something that they want to click on. Profile grid. Make sure you got it centered in there. There we go. Don't want to see me with my eyes closed. Maybe a figure point. There we go. Done. If you have not tagged anybody, if you want to tag anybody, make sure you tag them, add your topics, all that kind of stuff. Put your caption in there with your hashtags before you finally press that share. And boom, there you go. You have a solid reel that you utilize with saved audio. This one I think can be very useful. Again, if you're on the couch, watching TV, laying in bed before you're going to sleep, and you hear some audio that you're like, okay, maybe I can use that down the road. Save it. Save it. Come back to it. Be creative with it. And as I always say, you don't always have to find audio that's within your field. It could be something funny. It could be something that's unique, and you just save it, come back to it later. Hopefully this tutorial has been useful for you, and hopefully you can utilize it with your business. My name is Tyler, and hopefully that I see you in the next one.